You'll receive a link for an online gallery, and when you click on that link, a gallery will pop up. You'll have a password, which will also be sent to you. You put the password in, and you open the gallery. The gallery will have the images in it. You can star your favorites, so you can click on something and you're like, oh, I love that one. You can click favorites and it'll add it to favorites. It's a good way of, like, when you're scrolling through, trying to pick exactly which one is your favorite. So you might go, oh, I like that one. That one's a favorite. And so let's say you're ready to buy. Okay, I'm going to buy this picture. But you know there are packages you could get. But if you just want to buy a single picture, you just put it in your cart. Like, okay, I want this one. And it's going to pop up a crop because different pictures are different sizes. You see? Like, this is a 5:7 aspect ratio. 8:10 is a lot more square. And so if you need to adjust it at all, just hit, edit crop, and it'll help you to do that. And so you have one here, right? And you can hit add to cart. You can hit buy another item. But you're like, okay, but where are the packages? The packages are under discounts. So you can hit show discounts right here. And notice it says these are the different packages, right? Like here are the individual print prices, but here are the packages. And so let's look at the essentials package. Choose any and at least 6 of the following 5:7s, right? So 6 5:7s. And at least 4 from item 8:10s, right? So you need 4 8:10s, 6 5:7s, and 1 11:14 canvas. When you have all of those in your cart, it'll automatically adjust the price to the package price, which in this case is $4.50. So you can go in and say, okay, I need to get 6 5:7s, 4 8:10s, 1 11:14 canvas. So let's look at that. Let's go back to the gallery. And we can look at this. Okay, what do we have here? Well, this one starred, so I know this is one of my favorites. So by photo, I'm going to make this really simple this time. Now here are the prints. Here's the digital media. So if you're doing a package that includes the digital, you just add this to your cart. Canvases, and of course metal. This is the it's really cool. They have like little metal posts, and it's printed on metal, and you mount it on your wall. That's in one of the packages. Anyway, so we know we need 6 5:7s. So let's go 5:7s, and let's go ahead and put. We know we already selected 1, so let's put 5 more. Right? Add to cart. Buy another item. Okay, so now we have our 6 5:7s. Let's look at some more images. Back to gallery. Let's come up here. You can see the little cart signs too. Like, okay, I know I have this in the cart and this in the cart. All right, this is a favorite. By photo. Let's say I'm going to be like, okay, that one's going to be my canvas. So there's 11:14 canvas wrap. I want you to notice edit crop. See what it did with this crop? Well, I want more in there, right? But it's a canvas, so it wraps it. You see? It's going to wrap the edges around it. So that's why you see this. This part is what's going to be wrapped. If you need something adjusted, or if you want the edges to be black, you need to let me know, because I can put it in the gallery where once you add it to the cart, the edges will be black and not wrapped, which is one of my personal preferences, by the way. But let's go ahead and do that. Set the crop right there, and we'll add that to the cart. So now we also need 4 8x10s. Now I'm like, okay, I'm going to give this one to a family member. Let's add that one to the cart. Well, there's one 8x10. Well, I need 3 more 8x10s. So I'm just going to go back to the gallery and pick 3 more 8x10s. And of course, you can take a long time doing this. Whatever your process is fine. It doesn't really matter. Let's just go ahead for this demonstration and go ahead and add 3 more 8x10s just so we get our package built, right? Add to cart. Well, let's go ahead and view cart. And I want you to notice something. All these numbers, these are what it would be, but they're all scratched out because we're going with the package, right? So all those are 0 because you're going to have a package price instead. So when you go to checkout, this is the $450 package. See, with shipping, it's $459.95. You see? Subtotal $600, but you got your promotional discount, which is $150. Some of you might have a promo code. This is also where you add that to get whatever discount that happens to be. And so that's how you select a package. It'll be shipped directly to you. You just put all your information in. And if you have any questions at all, you are more than welcome to give me a call.